Hi, my name is Arush. I'm a high school senior at Dubai College, and today for my music science technology portfolio, I'm going to show you a project I've been working on called EpiMuse. Let's start off with EpiMuse. I think this far you've already seen in the PPT how exactly it works. So this is a Muse 2 headset I'm holding in my hand right now. It's a very sleek wearable headband with four electrodes on it, which are over here. You can probably see them. They're dry electrodes, so there's no need for any gel or anything. I've just switched it on, which is why the light is on. And if I just screen share right now, I'll show you how I'm connecting my Muse 2 headset and the actual EpiMuse platform. So I'll just put sound on as well. Cool. So if I go to the terminal now, I'm gonna connect my Muse 2 headset using this command, Muse LSL stream. That's basically going to create a lab streaming layer to connect my Muse 2 with my laptop. So then the EEG data can be streamed from here to here. So it might take a few seconds. Yep, there we go. It's been connected now. So right now it's not recording yet, but it's streaming. So whenever I start recording, it's going to send the EEG data. So let's actually open up the EpiMuse UI. This is what the web app looks like. And I've coded this all in Python using Streamlit as the web kind of backend. So this is what the platform looks like. As you can see at the top, you have a playlist, which is currently empty because you just opened the app. By the end of like your sessions, you will have a full playlist of music. Right now, there's a new session tab. You can collect and plot your EEG data while listening to a piece of music, which is this piece has just been randomly selected from the EpiMuse data set. And we have the YouTube video and the link to listen to it. Basically, what's going to happen now is I'm going to collect my EEG data while listening to the piece of music and then plot it. So we can just give it a quick demo and I'll start plotting my EEG data. So it's now collecting and I can listen to the music while doing so. Okay. So now we've recorded it for a minute. As you can see, one of the channels is quite noisy, which is because I was obviously moving my feet and hands while recording. But in a proper setting, you would have your user, lying down and sleeping. Just for the case of this demo, I'm doing this. So this is the pre-processed EEG data. The orange channel is quite noisy, but otherwise the red and the green and the blue look pretty fine to me. So once you complete your session, right now it's just set on 60 seconds for this demo. But in a proper case, you would record it for the full duration of the music piece. You can complete this user feedback where you can describe how you felt when you listen to it. You can describe how relaxing it was, like self-reported yourself. And then you can talk about how comfortable you were with the tempo and the dynamics. Now that it's been identified that the piece actually had a calming effect on us by the algorithm, these are their recommendations. So Mozart's Piano Sonata number 16, Beethoven Piano Sonata, and Mozart Piano Sonata. So I'm noticing that they see that we've liked a piano sonata and they're giving us similar ones. They're not giving us something wildly contrasting. So that's thanks to the recommendation algorithm we have, which is going through the data set of all 180 pieces and seeing which ones would be the closest. If I decide to click on one, I should be able to add it to my playlist. You can see over there it's been added to my playlist. I could click on another one and it should also add to my playlist now. Eventually, once the user uses the whole system, like about 7 or 8 times, they will have a full playlist of pieces, and then they'll be able to listen to those pieces as well. So that's a quick tour of how EpiMuse works, and thank you so much for your time.